Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Liz, and today I'm going to be using the ABH and Carli Bybel palette. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Thumbs up this video if you like the content, and make sure to leave a comment below with any suggestions or comments about what products you want to see me use on my channel. Alright guys, let's get into the tutorial. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial using the ABH and Carli Bybel palette. And this is what the palette looks like. Originally, I thought these embellishments right here were actually raised off of the palette, but they're not. It's all plastic. It's not raised at all. It feels really, really nice. It's basic packaging, standard for ABH. It retails for $45 US, which is basically the price of the typical palettes that are in this shape. We have 14 shadows on the inside with a mirror, and it also comes with the standard ABH brush that comes in these palettes. The brush is actually really good quality. But I don't think I'll be using it today just because I have my standard brushes that I really like to use when creating a look. This palette is limited edition and is in collaboration with a beauty influencer, Carli Bybel. These are all of her favorite colors that she uses on a day-to-day basis, and I am absolutely drawn to a lot of the shimmers in here, especially these two bluish gray colors. This blue purple duochrome and this, this pink one right here. They are super pretty. These are really pigmented. I already did some swatches. Let me just swatch a couple for you guys. Look how pigmented these shimmers are. And we all know that ABH mattes are absolutely amazing, pigmented. They are top of the line. So the first color that I'm going to be using is this nice mauve Bybel color, and I did tap very lightly into it, and there is a decent amount of kickback. For my first shade, I'm going to be going right into the upper part of my crease using the shade Bybel, which is actually Carli's last name. There is a decent amount of kick up on here. Not a lot of fallout so far on my face, but in the pan there is quite a bit of product. And the shade is really pigmented. This is such a beautiful mauve color. The one thing that I really love about ABH shadows is if you're doing a look that's super quick, like if you have to go to work or school and you only have a certain amount of time to do it, you don't have to spend a lot of time building up the shadows. They're super pigmented right off the bat, which is absolutely helpful when you're in a time crunch. I'm going to take a Morphe M507 brush, which is this really nice small detailed blending brush, and I'm going to go into Boy, this nice brown matte shade right here. And I am going to use this to deepen up my crease and also add some on the outer corner. And there is quite a bit of fallout with this shade. And I am just going to bring this a little closer to the inner part of my eye to deepen up my crease. You guys can see there is quite a bit of fallout, but I am just going to brush that away. I'm going to take my P. Louise base in shade Rumor 0.5 and a little flat shader brush from Morphe. There is no name on it. And I'm going to cut my crease in the first and second part of my lid. And you can stamp the P. Louise base on, or you can actually glide it over. It works both ways. I think stamping is a really great technique for people who are not used to cutting their crease or who are nervous about it and they're a beginner. I think it's a lot easier that way. You can also put a little bit of base on your lid, look up, and then it'll give you a nice little line to show you where you have to cut the crease. And that's a really nice trick for people who have hooded eyes. I'm going to take my finger and just tap out the base right at the end where that base stops and the shadow meets. And doing this gives you a really nice gradient effect. Now that I have cut my crease, I'm going to go in, I think, with OA. I did swatch two of the shades that are next to each other because they look similar, but OA, which is this one, actually looks a little more glittery, so I think I'm going to use that one. And if you guys don't know what OA is actually Carli's favorite TV show. I am going to use my finger and then use the brush for getting close to the edges. Woo! This shade is pigmented and so pretty. Wow. Look how beautiful that looks so far. I am really impressed. I think this is absolutely looking amazing so far, but I really want to use a couple of other colors in this palette. So I think I'm going to take the shade, what do I want to do? I think I'm going to take the shade Libra on my lower lash line, and then maybe Mandala, and put that in somewhere too. So this is the swatch of Libra, and let me show you Mandala, which is a beautiful duochrome purplish blue. And then I think I am going to use the two colors for the crease on the lower lash line as well. So let's see what I can come up with. I am just going to wet the same brush I used for the lid shade. And let's go into Libra. I am going to put this, I think, closest to the lash line. And the shade's super pretty as well. It's a nice, really grungy, silverish purple. Very quickly, I am going to take the shade Bybel on a different detailed brush. This is from the Makeup Shack. It's the T14. And I'm going to smoke the Libra shade out. These shades are just blending so nicely. I barely have to do any type of work with them. Look at that. That's smoked out really quickly. I'm also going to spray that same brush again that I put Libra on. And I think for the inner corner, I'm going to use the Mandala shade, which is this really nice purpley blue duo color. And I'm just going to put it right in the inner corner. Oh my god, this is so pretty! Look at that. Holy crap. I'm going to try and blend this in as much as I can. Wow, that is beautiful. And these types of colors are actually my favorite colors, the purple blue duochrome. I think I'm also going to use a little bit of Moo, which is this really nice gold shimmer. Oh my god, these shades are picking up so nicely on the brush. So if you guys have nails, you'll be able to use these colors really easily on the brush. Oh yeah, look at that. I love those shades together. Woo! I'm going to do some liner, lashes, and I'll be right back for the final look. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I really like the way that it came out. I think the look looks absolutely beautiful. The shimmers are absolutely amazing in this palette. The mattes are really good too. They're ABH's standard formula. I don't know how often I would reach for the mattes in this palette though. I think I would only use this palette for the absolutely amazing shimmers in it, because these shimmers are some of ABH's best quality. And the mattes are really pretty too, but I would only reach for them for specific looks. I did just want to let you guys know that this color right here, Cindy, this orangey transition color, is not supposed to be for the eye area. I don't know if it says it on here. Let's see. So it doesn't say it on the actual packaging. It might say it on the unicarton that everyone throws out, but I did just want to make you guys aware of that. Overall, I really liked this palette. I think I'm definitely going to reach for it more specifically for the shimmers. If this is a color story that you guys like, you guys are going to be blown away by this palette. The quality is absolutely amazing. Carli Bybel and Anastasia Beverly Hills absolutely killed this palette. I hope you guys enjoyed the look that I created, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!